Welcome family and friends to Mariposa Computer Science Magnet School's weekly recap.
Mariposa on 3! 1, 2, 3! Mariposa!
This week we welcome PlayWorks to our school and they taught us about different games. Miss Gonzalez's first graders got to participate in fun word centers and they also got to make sight word bracelets. Miss Fishnick's second graders got to be thankful turkeys and they got to participate in some math test prep.
Okay, this one's a good one. Alright. Read.
Chow!
Read.
Pie!
Pie. Read.
On!
Read it just like that.
Champion!
Real word.
Champion!
Champion.
And this week was National Educational Psychologist Week, so we want to say thank you to Miss Sparks for everything that she does.
I reuse. I reuse. And the third level, raise your hand. Recycle. About what we do at my school. We say all the way to the rest.
And here at Mariposa Computer Science Magnet School, we promise to turn your child into a thinker, coder, doer, and leader. See you next week.